Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called DuKabel, and pretty much what it is a audio cable that you guys can use to plug in your device. If you guys want to use like, I don't know, a Bose headphone or something that has two auxiliary slots, that way you guys can plug it onto your old iPhones if you guys still have the external port to actually plug it in onto the headphone that supports the auxiliary cable slot. So this brand actually makes a lot of different types of cables, whether it be auxiliary to auxiliary or output inputs, whatever the case may be. Like all the pictures that are on here is the type of outputs that they have or inputs that they have for your audio essential or accessory that you guys possibly need. This one in particular is auxiliary to auxiliary, so let me actually open up and show you guys what it looks like and what comes inside the package first. So the first thing you know is the packaging is quite nice. It has a slot right here where you guys can actually just open up quite easy, and then once you open up, you guys can actually just take it out like that. So right off the bat, just by looking at the cable by itself, it's actually really good quality. Inside they also provide you a little card that has like a warranty or extended month of guaranteed, or if anything wrong with the product, you guys let them know. And then on the back part, it actually asks you if you're happy or not happy with the product, let them know, put it on Amazon, so that way they can make a better product or make improvement if there's anything wrong or something that you don't like about the product. You guys can comment it down and let them know. But here's the product itself. It's really nice quality overall. You guys can definitely feel it and see it instantly, because like if that's not quality to you guys, I don't know what is quality. Like this is reasonable quality, especially for the price, because right now they're going for around $7 and you're getting this. Like, let me actually open this part up first so you guys can actually see it. They provide this little strap right here so you guys can actually make sure your cables are all intact, or like you guys won't be tangled everywhere. So that's really nice of them. And it's not like a cheap material, it's actually really durable. Like, can you guys hear that? So that's just a strap by itself, not even a cable yet. The cable is actually quite long and quite durable. The cool thing about these cables is the fact that these actually last longer than your regular cables, which is really nice, because if you guys are planning to use this often, and if you guys use it a lot, like every day, you guys know that when you guys fold it up or like tangle it up, it actually damages the cables a lot. But having this kind of material will actually prevent that from happening a lot more than a regular cable that is cheaper and not as good. So these kind of material is actually much better than your normal ones. You guys can see that there's the brand logo right there. The material is really nice. So how strong or how durable is this cable, you might ask? So let's give it a test. You guys can see the cable is actually really strong. Like, it's no joke when they actually advertise this thing. Like, they bend it, test it, stretch it, everything. They tested all of that before selling this product. And if you guys actually look on Amazon right now, they actually have a lot of reviews for this product. And I think this one in particular has the most reviews out of everything that they sell right now. So this one in particular has over 200 reviews, and they're still a new company. They're not like a big company like Anchor or Raw Power or some big known company right now. But I can see that this company has great potential and they're gonna grow and make really good products, especially for the price that they're selling for. Like $7 for this cable, like that's pretty reasonable for the quality, the material, and everything that's on this product. So how well does it sound? Does it sound good or does it not sound good? So we're gonna test it out using this Sony headphone and then my old iPhone, because that's the one that has the iPhone jack. So let's test it out and see how it sounds like and whether or not it sounds good or not. Alright, so it's plugged into my iPhone, and the other end will be right here. Plug it onto my device. So the first thing I noticed is by listening to it, you guys can definitely hear the audio's clearness and everything, because it's using a cable instead of Bluetooth to actually connect it from one device to the other device to actually listen to it. So for those of you guys who use like Bluetooth device, you guys know that if you guys use Bluetooth, sometimes cuts off and everything, but having this cable to actually connect it from one device to another device actually makes it that much more of a difference. So that way there's no cutouts, and actually has a really clear audio and clear bass and everything that you guys would want when you guys are listening to music. So with that being said, and showing you guys the test of the product, kind of, you guys can't really hear it because you guys actually have to test it out for yourself to find out. But from my first hand perspective, I'd say that this product for $7 is actually really worth it. At the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as a consumer of whether or not you guys actually need it, how often you guys are planning to use it, and whether or not you guys think it's worth it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have